Hello. How we doing, guys? EDD, senior year. Sorry. What I want to go over in this video is I want to talk to you guys about basically the plan of attack for the rest of the year. I know it stinks that everything's going down the way it's going to go down, but long story short, you guys are still going to have to do 18 assignments. We got 9 weeks left. You're going to have to do just as many assignments as everybody else. Um, Good news and bad news. Good news, we'll start with there. If you are in Invention Convention, you do not have to do the first 8 of these 19 of these 18 assignments. You do not have to do the first 8 of these 18 assignments. So that's good news. You only basically, I'm not going to say what I was going to say. Yeah. So the first 8 assignments you can ignore. That basically means the first 4 weeks, 4 weeks, you can ignore. The fifth week is when you have to start. No, John, you cannot start here in the very first week and just do the first 2 assignments and then be done for the rest of the year. You have to start at week 5. So that means you're going to have to basically kind of, wait until week 5 to start any of the other assignments. First things first, before I forget, the Invention Convention registration has been extended to Wednesday the 15th. Um, they know that everything's going crazy. If you don't have your project, if you don't have your poster, if you don't have any of that kind of stuff, um, take as many pictures or use as many pictures as you possibly have, upload as many as you possibly can, and explain the scenario. I don't have my project, but this is where we're at. I can't take any pictures to prove it, but I mean, there's not much they can do or much that you can say to kind of help your situation out. You guys know, they know, I should say, that all this is a mess and that they're going to take kind of your word for it at this point. So tell them what data you have, show them what data you have, I should say, and then just tell them everything else that you can't document. Upload is all I'm going to tell you. Again, the registration details, I do want to make sure before I kind of go crazy into this, it's on the stream. If you scroll down a little bit, here are the updates of what they're giving you or what they gave you and the changes that have been made. For example, the video has been extended. And again, some of these deadlines are already being changed because we don't have a lot of people that are registering yet. So we got to register if you want the easy way out in a way. So go through this registration. Again, Wednesday, April 15th is when it's the 15th, right? Yeah, the 15th. Make sure you guys register. When you do register, make sure you guys tell me that you register. Take a screenshot of what the final thing is, or that you have been registered, or whatever the scenario is, so that I can do that, or that I can see what you guys did. Sorry, you didn't see what I was showing you. Basically, scroll down into the stream, and you'll see this right here, this yellow, and it'll walk you through the PowerPoint that they made, some new due dates, frequently asked questions, all that kind of stuff. So if you're, again, I'm going to say this one more time. If you are accepted or you've been accepted to states for the Invention Convention, you can ignore the first 4 weeks, aka 8 assignments in EDD. I will automatically give you credit for them as soon as I see that registration. Boom, you're done with the first 8 assignments. So then, without further ado, the people who did not do the invention or did not qualify for the Invention Convention, if you go to classwork in Corona quarantine, I will post real quick as far as when you guys, everybody will have to know this. So if you look at the schedule, that's what I had up originally. This is kind of what the first thing I want to go over. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you will be given assignments from the periods that you guys see in this chart. So first hour, third hour, fifth hour, and seventh hour will be posted by 8 a.m. It says it right there, by 8 a.m. on Monday. Tuesday, your second hour, fourth hour, sixth hour, and eighth hour will post their first assignment by 8 a.m. It's going to be the same exact assignments for all the classes. They're just, just have to scaffold it just to give you guys time to do all this stuff. As far as the rigor of each assignment, they should not be crazy hard assignments. As you can see right there, this is what they gave us, the pacing guidelines, 30 to 45 minutes to complete the assignment. It should not need a lot of resources. It shouldn't be crazy hard, but it should be done regardless. We're not asking a lot. Wednesday and Thursday, as you can see, will be the second assignment for those classes. So Wednesday, 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th hours will be giving you their second assignment of the week, and Thursday, 2nd, 4th, 6th, and 8th will be giving their second assignment. Friday is basically what I'm going to call my due dates. Everything for the week, the 2 assignments that you're doing that week are due on that Friday by midnight. It says due Tuesdays by 4. This stuff that I'm giving you guys, there's no way that you can't get it done in 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. It's going to be really laid back, going to be really chill. Again, Friday, ask me questions, email me anytime you guys want, but Friday is the day that I'm supposed to be grading you guys, giving you feedback, telling you what you did right and wrong. So all that kind of stuff. Hopefully you don't have any questions. If you do, please just email me. So I'll get that out of the way. But basically, what you're going to see in Google Classroom, I'm going to go through that first activity just so you guys know what you're looking for. I'm just going to show you third hour, but again, sixth hour is going to be looking exactly the same. Inside classwork, you're going to see Corona quarantine info, and right here is the first activity. They're called CLP activities, activity 1 all the way to 18. If you click on the activity itself, it looks something like this, and this is literally it. It's a one-page document, super straightforward stuff. Like we say here, we didn't want your senior year to end this way, but it is what it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to give a brief written update of your future plans. Just a quick little paper, one-page paper kind of deal. Update your future plans for education or work. Are you going to college next year? Where? What program? Are you seeking an internship? Do you have a problem or a job, I should say, lined up? And then you are going to, after watching this video here and the other YouTube video here, you're going to answer these 4 questions in the same exact lineup. Just answer them in complete sentences. And then I'm just going to read them back, and that's it. That's literally it for the first assignment. You'll see as you click on these different links, first one kind of goes through and talks about, I'll mute them here, but talks about basically what a first year engineering student in college might want to know. And then 10 quick tips on basically what, again, the college, this is from MIT, a professor put together and said that these are some of the things that you would need to be successful as an engineering student the first year. So write that paper up. And again, if you want to do it, and you're in Invention Convention, please be my guest. Totally fine. I'm not going to give you again credit until that 5th week though. So I'm giving you guys, kind of, you worked your butt off to get to where you're at as far as getting to states for the Invention Convention. So I think this is only fair to give you guys at least, almost half of this 9 weeks as a reward for you guys not to have to work as hard as the people who didn't. So again, that's going to be in Corona quarantine info. You'll see CLP activity 1, the videos, and then here. And the video that I'm recording right now will actually also be posted here. So I miss you guys. Hope you have any or don't have any questions, but if you do, please just email me. I will talk to you in a bit. Bye.